Let the set X be all the positive composite numbers less than 10 and the set Y be all positive even numbers less than 10. So first we can write like this. We should find out composite number. Composite number which is denoted by X, and we have to find out less than 10. And we have to find out even number. Even number which is denoted by Y, and it should be also less than 10. And all the numbers are positive. Now look, first we have to find out which numbers are composite. Composite number are that number which can be divided more than 3 numbers. Let's 6 we can divide it by 1, we can divide it by 2, we can divide it by 3, and also we can divide it by 6. So 6 is a composite number. So less than 10, and it should be positive, which is the smallest composite number. Smallest composite number is 4. So we can write X equals to, it should be 4, 6, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 8 is a composite number, 9 also composite number because 9 can divide it by 1, 3, 9. Okay, and it's enough because less than 10, not equal 10. So what is Y? Here is mentioned Y all positive, it means more than 0, and it should be even number. So even number we will start from 2, then 4, then 6, and finally 8. Now we will make union and intersection of X and Y. So this one we can write X union Y. So X here is a 4, 6, 8, 9, union, then 2, 4, 6, 8. So what will be the answer? Union means common, uncommon, everything. So our answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Right? So this is our X union Y. And what about X intersection Y? X intersection Y. So same thing, here is a 4, 6, 8, 9. It's a composite number, then intersection 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even number. So intersection, it means we should find out the common thing. Common, this is 4 and 4, 6 and 6, 8 and 8. So our answer will be 4, 6, 8. Okay, very simple. Second question. Order the fractions 7 by 13, 8 by 15 and 9 by 17 from least to greatest. Several ways we can find out the value least to greatest. By calculator we can make these fractions 2 decimal, like 7 divided 13, this is 0.538. Next, 8 divide 15, it will be 0.533. And finally 9 by 17, it will be 0.529. So among this number, this is top, this is second, and this is third. So least to greatest we can write like this is least 9 by 17, which is less than 8 by 15, and this is less than 7 by 13. So this is least to greatest. I hope you cleared this one. It's a very fantastic math for set math practice or any kinds of competitive examination. You will face these kinds of math. So no more today. Thank you very much. This video also I am trying to solve two math. So continue. I will try to solve 1, 2, 3 these kinds of math. So please subscribe my channel SADX and also share it to friends and family. Thank you.